Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're going to talk about a mascara that promises to elevate your lash game, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara in Very Black. This mascara is designed to deliver length, volume, and that iconic fan effect for a full and dramatic lash look. Let's dive into the details to see if it really lives up to the hype. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara is all about providing fuller, longer lashes with a unique fanning brush. It features 10 layers of bristles that are meant to coat each lash, creating a sensational fan effect. It claims to give you volume and length without the dreaded clumping, making it ideal for those looking for a clean, dramatic look. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested and contact lens safe, so it's suitable for most eye types. Now let's talk about the experience of actually using the product. First off, the application is smooth. The fanning brush does a great job of separating the lashes, even the tiniest ones near the inner corner of your eye. I didn't experience clumping, which is a huge plus, especially with waterproof formulas that can sometimes get heavy and sticky. It was easy to layer, so I could build up the drama to my liking without worrying about lashes sticking together. The formula stayed put throughout the day, holding up well, even in warmer, humid conditions, always a win for waterproof mascaras. In terms of performance, I did notice that the mascara gave a lovely fanned-out effect, which really opened up my eyes. I was impressed by the amount of volume it added. However, I did feel it could have delivered more length. The volume was definitely there, but the length was a bit underwhelming compared to other lengthening mascaras I've tried. It's a minor downside, but worth noting for those who prioritize length over volume. When it comes to removing it, as with most waterproof formulas, it took a bit more effort than regular mascaras. I needed a good oil-based makeup remover to take it off without irritating my eyes, but that's pretty typical for waterproof mascaras. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara is great at providing volume without clumping. It holds up well throughout the day, even in humid conditions, and it's ophthalmologist tested, making it safe for contact lens wearers. Plus, it's easy to build layers, which gives you control over how dramatic you want the look to be. On the flip side, the lengthening effect could be better. If you're someone who's looking for ultra-long lashes, this mascara might fall short in that area. Also, removal can be a bit tricky. Waterproof mascaras often require more effort to get off, and this one is no exception. As for value for money, considering the performance and price, I think it's a pretty fair deal. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers on volume and wear time, making it a solid pick for anyone who wants a long-lasting mascara without breaking the bank. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options out there at similar price points, like the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara, which is often compared to this one. It provides similar volume and a more noticeable lengthening effect, though it's worth noting that it doesn't quite match the fanned-out look of Maybelline's Lash Sensational. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, fitting easily into your makeup bag without taking up too much space. The wand is just the right size, not too big or too small, and the bristles are perfectly spaced for maximum lash coverage. As for longevity, I've used this mascara for a couple of weeks now, and it hasn't dried out or lost its effectiveness, which is always a good sign. To sum it up, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara delivers volume, separation, and wearability, making it an excellent choice for those who want a more dramatic lash look. It might not provide the most length, but the volume and fanned-out effect more than make up for it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this mascara or have any thoughts, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.